Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a swipe animation using Canva, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just choosing your preferred template so that you could get redirected onto Canva's editor. So since we're here already, what we need to do is to add in first the things that you want to go ahead and add onto your animation. So just simply upload that one in here. So for this one, we'll try to use towers since I don't have some photos for that. We're going to use some elements for this one. So just click onto elements. But before that, we're going to go ahead and add in a circle here onto the middle part. So just go ahead and add in a circle in here. And then right after, let's try to add in some towers in here. For example, this one. So let's edit this first and make sure to remove all of the background for this one. So we need 4 towers in here. So we're going to go ahead and try to resize this first, make this smaller, add this one here, just like that. Then we'll try to add in another one. We'll do the same thing of removing the background. And then we'll try to rotate this. So let's crop this first. So we'll try to rotate this 90 degrees and then we're going to add this in here. So let's make this one small as well, a little bigger, just like that. And then right after, we're going to add another one. So we'll make 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's finish that. Then right after, you should go ahead and produce something like this. So what we need to do is let's click onto the circle first in here and let's try to change the transparency for this one to 0. So it shouldn't be seen just like that. Then right after, we're going to go ahead and try to group this one. So as you can see, we have grouped that. Let's make this bigger first. And another thing that we could do in here is to add in a text. So we're going to add in a heading in here and let's name the tower. So just for an example, let's name this tower 1, tower 2, and tower 3 to 4. Let's try to change the font for that here. So we're going to use this and then we'll try to change the color as well. So we could use this one, the black one here. And then we'll try to readjust this here around its upper part. So it should look something like this. Let's choose a layer, send this to back, and then we'll also include that one into the group. So don't forget to copy that one out since we're going to go ahead, try to rotate this just like this, and we'll add the same thing onto the other tower. I'm going to move this here. Let's name this tower 2. Then we'll include that one onto the group as well. Rotate this again, add another tower name, include that onto the group, and then we'll try to rotate again for the last tower, and let's add tower 4 in here. So for this one, just make sure that this one will not really overlap once it is rotating. So let's group this one as well. And then let's get back to tower 1. So since there are 4 towers, we're going to do 4 slides in here. We'll make this really big, just like that. And it should look something like this. So this is our first tower and we're going to go ahead and try to change the background for this. So we're going to set it to any background that we like. So there are also gradients here onto the bottom part. So we'll use that one. We're going to duplicate this. And for this one, we're going to go ahead and try to change the background as well for this one. For example, this. And what we need to do is we're just going to go ahead and rotate this. Then we're going to do the same thing, duplicate this, and then change the background as well. Then rotate it again for tower 3. And then right after, duplicate again, change its background, and rotate it again for tower 4. And then right after this, we're going to go ahead and hover here under its middle part to add in a transition, and we're going to use match and move for that. So just make sure to apply between all the pages, and this is how it should look like. And that is just basically it, how you create a swipe animation using Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.